Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rotate a PDF in Dochub. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your preferred browser and head to dochub.com, then sign into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all of Dochub's PDF editing features and allow you to manage your documents from one central location. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on Dochub's dashboard screen. From here, to rotate a PDF in Dochub, start by navigating to your left navigation menu. You'll see the New Document button, so go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to add a file to process. Click on Select Files, and a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. Simply browse through your folders, select the file you wish to rotate, then click on Open to proceed. This uploads your PDF to Dochub's editor, preparing it for any modifications you need to make. Now, wait until the upload process finishes. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this might take just a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, click on Create Document, located at the bottom part of this window. This action will open your PDF in the Document Editor page, where you can make all your necessary adjustments. You'll now be on the Document Editor page. Within the editor screen, look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a hamburger icon, which is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and a context menu will appear with several options. From the list of options, hover your cursor over the Actions option and the menu will expand to reveal more features. From the expanded options, you'll see Rotate Pages. Hover your cursor over it again to see 3 different options to rotate your file: 180 degrees, 90 degrees clockwise, and 90 degrees counterclockwise. Simply select how you wish to rotate your file based on your specific needs. The rotation will be applied instantly to your PDF. And there you have it. You've successfully rotated your PDF in Dochub using the built-in rotation tools. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.